friends, and welcome back to another video in which I will be talking about one of my newest achievements, being an author at age 15.
Wow. Let me see. Let me check.
So the special guest, our Nani, is gonna see the book.
Stories of Young Life.
Yay!
And written by Shreya Shokin. देखने में मुझे लग रहा है कि बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग इसकी स्टोरी होगी और एक स्टोरी मैंने पढ़ी है. एक्चुअली मैं छोटे वाली स्टोरी मैंने पढ़ी है. बहुत अच्छा लिखा हुआ है और इस यंग एज में आई एम प्राउड ऑफ हर.
But the inspiration is all Nani's, and Nani has also started a new YouTube channel all on her own, and even at this age when people are thinking about retirement.
तो गाइस माय चैनल इज लेट्स नर्चर आवर माइंड्स. आप वहाँ भी विजिट कर सकते हैं. वहाँ आपको बहुत कुछ मिलेगा और मेरे चैनल पर आपको मॉरल एंड एजुकेशनल स्टोरीज मिलेंगी और वो भी हिंदी में.
And that is the main reason how I managed to write this wonderful book about my sister's journey. Now I am in 10th grade, but she has graduated and become a college fresher. So to wish her the best of luck, I have written this book on one of her short experience of graduation and the party she told me about.
इट इज़ द ग्रेट बुक. आप इसको अमेजन पर भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. आपको ये बुक मिल जाएगी और बहुत ही इंस्पिरेशनल है. बहुत ही अच्छी बुक है. बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी.
I hope you enjoy them.
गुड जॉब श्रेया.
Thank you. Before I leave, I wanted to give you a short introduction on what this book is going to be about. So this amazing book is about the journey my sister took. There is a small part of it which is the first story in which I talk about my promotion from class 9th to 10th, and the second story, The Lingering Child. It is about how my sister finally steps out of school to go into the real world as an adult at age 18. So I have written in my author's note to wish her well on her future achievements and future adventures. And I have added, for a quick read and something interesting, a few graphics as well. So I hope you enjoy this book and read it to the fullest. It's just a half an hour read and it can be done in one sitting. But the lessons I have learned from this, it will be with me for life. And an interesting fact to note, I have written one poem for each part of the story. And each poem represents the summary of the whole story. I have self-composed the poems before I wrote the story. So I hope you enjoy it. It's a fun read, full of graphics, full of interesting poems, and full of fresh, fiery youth of life.
ये अभी स्टार्टेड है.
हाँ चल रहे हैं.
मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, छोड़ो.
करो स्टार्ट.
Hello friends, and today I'm here with the special guest, which is Nana.
श्रेया, सुना है आपने कोई नई बुक छपवाई है?
मतलब कि before even the introduction you have to get on point. चलो ठीक है, that is Nana. Okay, that's why I came prepared. Ha ha ha.
दिखाओ
हाँ.
जरा. अरे श्रेया शौकीन, वेरी गुड. स्टोरीज ऑफ
Young life.
यंग लाइफ. वाह, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बुक है. देखते हैं इसमें क्या है. कुछ
अरे
बताओ.
पढ़ने से पहले कुछ सुन तो लो इसके बारे में.
अच्छा बताइए. चलो.
Okay. This is a compilation of two short stories. One story is about yours truly, and the other is about my older sister who God knows where. And to make it more interesting, I even self-composed 2 poems to summarize the whole story. So you have fun, graphics, stanzas of poems and amazing short stories. All in one.
ओके, ये दे दो मेरे को, मैं एक दिन में पढ़ के आपको वापस कर दूंगा. कैन आई हैव?
Yeah, sure.
Thank
It's
you.
yours. And in this story, I will be talking about the journey of my promotion from class 9 to 10th and my sister's promotion to finally, after years of education, walk out into the real world as a college fresher.
And what about from LKG to class 9th?
No one talks about that.
Please tell something about that also.
Okay, to make it more interesting, I have actually even mentioned a part of it in the book. You wanna listen?
Yeah, of course.
Let's just open the book and find out. All in all, the day turned into late evening as we were dispersed. I stood at the gate as I remembered the nickname grandmother gave me. Lingering child. I guess that was true. I am a lingering child. I ask, are you too?
No, not at all.
You don't have any attachments?
No,
Come on, getting promoted and going out of school. You will miss school, won't you?
no, not at all.
Why won't you miss school?
I'm fed up with school.
A word which made you remember and associate with all your friends. A prize that cannot be measured as you step into your college days. It was a usual day with the sun and the birds going about their day. Yet for me, there was a gloomy atmosphere. As I held a warm cup of milk in my hand and was near the balcony railing, sipping and overlooking the park, to the left of which a white and green building stood. And that was similar to me in every single aspect. भाई और बहन होते हैं ना, वो ना मुझे इतने वो लगते हैं ना कि खुद तो कुछ काम कर रहे हो, ऊपर से वो लेटा हुआ है.
करेक्ट
ये क्या भाई
है इस बात पे, इसका यही काम है. ये तो रोज पंगे लेती है मेरे भाइयों से. आप कहती हो ये क्या करेंगे, इनसे भी तो करवाओ.
मेरी बहन भी करती है वो.
नहीं, ये तो भाइयों से कहती है इनसे करवाओ, इनसे क्यों नहीं करवाती हो. सीखेंगे तो तभी ना जब करवाओगी.
So guys, this is the grandmother who gave me that lovely nickname, the lingering child. So grandmom over here was a huge inspiration for me to start my own YouTube channel, which is
motivational.
and grandmom's is Let's Nurture Our Minds. We hope you enjoy our videos. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Signing off.